Welcome to the FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly podcast series hosted by Jason Ayres, a top instructor, trader, and founder of OptionSource.net. Join Jason as he discusses the latest trends in the Forex market with a look ahead on the US dollar versus the major currencies using the most commonly used technical indicators.
Hi there and welcome to the ISC FX Options Weekly Outlook for April 4th, 2011. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net. Let's start off with a look at a weekly chart of the US dollar index. This is a great way to gain perspective as to how the US dollar has been trading against a basket of currencies, while the dollar index closed the week negatively, failing to hold above 76. Until we see the index hold above this 76 focal zone, the trend is likely to continue lower with the 74-75 level as the next logical target. The daily chart reflects last Friday's reversal candle, suggesting a possible continuation to the downside. Consolidation above 76 opens the window for a short-term move towards 77. Next up, the U.S. versus the Canadian dollar is seen here in the ISC FX Options pair value CDD. While the CDD drops below the 97 support level, lending credibility to a continuation towards this 95-96 focal zone. 97.98 now becomes an important resistance level. Let's take a look at the YUK, the U.S. versus the Japanese yen. Well, the YUK continued higher last week, but closed just on that 84 resistance level. We are likely to see a retracement after such a significant move higher, which could slip back down to test support at the 82.5 level. A continuation above 84 is likely to follow through with a test of 87. Next up, the EUI, the U.S. versus the Euro. Well, the EUI continues to test this support down at the 70-71 focal zone. A break above 71 is likely to lend credibility to a retest of the 72-73 level. A break below 70 is likely to follow through with a test down towards 68. Let's take a look at the BPX, the U.S. versus the British pound. Well, the BPX retraced to 62 after testing the highs of the week. We may see the pair value slip a little deeper into that 61.5, 62 focal zone. However, a reversal and break above 62.5 opens the window for a push towards 64. Next up, the AUX, the U.S. versus the Australian dollar. Well, the AUX broke below a key support at 98 and closed the week just above this 95-96 focal zone. Although the pair may extend lower towards 95, we expect the retracement higher this week with 97-98 assuming the role of resistance. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the U.S. dollar continues to fail with any follow-through to the upside. We need to see consolidation above 76 to lend credibility to a reversal in the current downtrend. The CDD broke below a key support at 97, opening the window for a continuation lower towards 95. Unless we see a reversal back above 97 this week, the trend continues to the downside. The YUK broke higher, closing the week off of the highs at the 84 resistance. We are open to a retracement after such a big move. Consolidation above 84 opens the window for a move towards 87. The EUI continues to test support at 70, while the trend continues to the downside. A break above 71 opens the window for the possibility of a tradable reversal. The BPX retraced lower after a test of resistance at 62.5. A break above 62.5 lends credibility to a move towards 64. The AUX is likely to retrace upwards. However, this 95-96 zone remains a key support. Until we see a break back above the 97-98 zone, the trend remains down. And this has been your ISC FX Options Weekly Outlook for April 4th, 2011. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net, reminding you to sign up for your free webinar at www.optionsource.net. Thanks for joining me this week. We'll see you here next week.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary, visit www.fxoptions.com. Become an OptionSource.net member. Visit www.optionsource.net. ISC FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in U.S. dollars and have a European-style exercise.